I'm Shamil Kakirinda. I'm the Senior Manager of Gaurul Estate. We have been using our manual rain gauges for a long period of time. So after installation of these digital rain gauges, we were able to get the accurate figures as we do all our agriculture programs, fertilizer programs and planting programs according with our rainfall patterns. So if we able to get the accurate figures, so it's really benefiting for the industry. And I would like to thank ACCEND for donating this digital rainfall gauge to get these accurate figures for our plantations.
The Assisting Communities in Creating Environmental and Nutritional Development project was a project funded by the European Union, implemented by ADRA and Oxfam in the most vulnerable estate and rural communities of the Matale, Monaragala and Nuwara Eliya districts. The project has contributed towards the improvement of water, sanitation, hygiene, health and nutrition in these communities and has uplifted lives of over 300,000 individuals.